Audio Jungle.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to present my paper entitled The Improvement of Understanding and Tolerance Attitude of BINUS Students Through Character Education. Part 1. Introduction. Indonesia is a pluralistic nation because society consists of various ethnic, cultural, linguistic, and religious. Plurality is seen with the growing development of major religions globally, such as Islam, Christianity, Catholicism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. Besides the growing and developing various school or local belief. On the one hand, religious pluralism and cultural wealth benefit from resources of inspiration for democratic consolidation in Indonesia. However, on the other hand, it could potentially bring a diverse point of view of social interreligious conflict. It can threaten the integrity of the Unitary Republic of Indonesia, mainly when diversity is not addressed and managed well. Conflicts in religion turn out to involving many parties, strata, age, and gender. In terms of students, it also possible to get involved in it. Therefore, in Indonesia's religious pluralism, religious tolerance regarding religious communities' willingness to coexist peacefully with other religions is essential in the Indonesian nation life. Effort to develop the tolerance attitude can be made through educational activities in the classroom and practical exercise in real life outside the classroom. One of the subjects provides content development of understanding and tolerant attitude in character education. The role of character education is expected to develop the religiosity values more accurately. It can be the basis for learners to develop science of technology and art, and anticipate change in social change or globalization. Based on the background, the problem in this research can be formulated as follows. 1. Can character education enhance the understanding and tolerance attitude of BINUS University students? 2. How do BINUS University students in daily life implement the understanding and tolerant attitude? The objective of this research is 1. To determine the influence of character education against the understanding and tolerance attitude of BINUS University students. 2. To describe the understanding and tolerant attitude implemented by BINUS University students in daily life. Part 2. Literature Review. Principles of Tolerance. According to Webster's World Dictionary of American Language, tolerance in Latin is tolerare means hold, bear, let, steadfast. English, tolerance means willingness to accept feeling, habits, or beliefs that are different from your own. Religious tolerance is an attitude willing to accept diversity, and freedom of religion and belief are believed to be embraced by the parties, or other groups. Tolerance occurs because of the existence of a class, religions, or ideas recognized or respected by others. Such recognition is not limited to equality, but within the state order, social order, and in the presence of God Almighty, but also difference in the way appreciation and worship according with humanitarian reason, just and civilized. Development of understanding and tolerance attitude through education. Educational institutions have a strategic role in developing tolerance of students because the campus is a social system. Students can interact with each other, learn to understand social norms, learn to cooperate, learn to appreciate, and learn various aspects of life as befit a community. The learning process is carried out on multiple parts of experience in this campus environment to be better prepared to enter society, especially after graduating, especially relates to developing an inclusive and tolerant attitude of the campus into the most appropriate vehicle to train and apply these values. Part 3, Methodology. This study uses a quantitative research method was descriptive correlational research. This research was conducted on students who have attended the course Character Building Religion program. The source of data is divided into two primary data and secondary data. The preliminary data were obtained through interview and questionnaire deployment. With students who have attended the lectures, character education, medium secondary data is obtained from books, journal, magazine, newspaper, and other relevant to the research problem. The data analysis technique in this research in quantitative data obtained from the result of interview and questionnaires. Data were organized into categories like units and pattern and using what is essential to understand. Part 4, Analysis and Result. Validity test. The validity test through the correlation formula product moment equal to the counting result obtained by 0.4219. By consulting to the table R product moment with the number of items n equal 100, it can be obtained by confidence interval 95% R table equal 0.195. If the result of R X Y calculation is more significant than our table product moment, then it confirms that the items of the research test are valid. Analysis of different power groups. Influence of character education. Answer positive, 92.5%. And answer dog 5.4%. And answer negative 2.1%. Understanding of student tolerance, answer positive 88.6%. Answer dog 9.7%. and answer negative 1.7%. Attitude of student tolerance, answer positive 81.2%, answer doubt 10%, and answer negative 8.8%. Aspect of learning the CB religion. There are 10 questions for CB religion learning's importance. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 17, 22, and 26. The number of students who respond positively was 92.5%, while 5.4% and doubt 0 and respond negatively 2.1%. Aspect of understanding students' tolerance. There are 10 questions for understanding student tolerance. Numbers 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 19, 23, and 24. The number of students who respond positively amount to 88.6%, which was hesitant by 9.7% and respond negatively by 1.7%. Aspect of BINU student tolerance attitude. There are 10 questions about understanding and students' tolerant attitude. Number 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 25, 27, 28, 29, and 30. The number of students who respond positively was 81.2%, hesitate 10%, and the negative response was 8.8%. Part 5, conclusion. Based on the result of this study, it can be concluded that the character education at BINUS University can improve the understanding and tolerant attitude of students. The results show the dissemination of questionnaire to students who have participated in the character education program 2019. Similarly, the result of interview with students showed their relationship in daily association goes harmoniously and better. They access to character learning to gain highlight beneficial because they are taught and guided to receive the social reality that they are different. It is necessary to understand that tolerant attitude addresses difference among students. Okay, thank you for all.